top of it, in your chest head in one line, which is called Siddhasana. The next one is Sukhasana. Very easy pose, you can sit pretty longer period of time. And third one is therapeutic. This is called Padmasana, cross leg. This has a lots of benefits. So if you can sit on this, it will help you for arthritis and all different kind of problems. Rejuvenating asana. So sit comfortably, whichever you are comfortable. Your chest hitting one line, first finger and thumb together. Now the mudra also very important. The first finger on the root of the thumb. This is called Sunya Mudra. And this is a very, very helpful for any kind of the pain in your body. Arthritis or any kind. And then you can add one more mudra, two middle finger together with thumb. It's hard N upon mudra. Two mudra you can sit together. So we are going to do first pranayam is called Bhastrika pranayam. There are 2 or 3 different ways you can do Bhastrika pranayam also. It's a deep breathing. We have 8 systems in our body. So out of 8 systems, with this pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam, help us 3 important systems: your respiratory system, circulatory system, and skeletal system. And in the environment we are living, this pranayam is very, very important because of the COVID. What is required is more oxygen to our cells, fight disease. So this pranayam provides more oxygen to your body. So breathe in and 5 seconds, breathing in, 5 seconds, breathing out. Close your eyes. When you breathe in, think in mind that all the positivity from environment going in my body. When you breathe out, all the toxic, negativity going out of my body. Inhale and exhale. Make sure that all the air you are taking going in your lungs, not in your stomach. God has given us lungs for breathing, not stomach. Stomach for eating and drinking, right? 2 to 5 minutes of Bhastrika pranayam is very, very important. It will energize our every cells of our body. More oxygen. There are some diseases that really effective for the elimination from our body by doing the Bhastrika pranayam. Migraine, depression, asthma, allergy. These are the common problems in US because we are living in a threatening environment. Fresh air, hardly we are getting because of this heat. People trying to stay indoors. So our respiratory system you can make strong by doing Bhastrika. Inhale and exhale. There's another way you can do also is that you can make a fist, and then while you are making your hand up, inhale and then exhale forcefully. Let's do 10 rounds slowly. Now you can increase your speed. You can do faster, slower, depending on your strength. So now we are taking care of respiratory system, circulatory system, and cavity. Now I'm going to change gear to the next pranayama. Very, very important pranayama for another three system, and mudra will be Apan mudra. It's a very important mudra for getting rid of toxin from our. Now another system is digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive. A very important system in our body that whatever you eat directly going to your stomach and it start digesting, and all the juice for digestion starts circulating. But if our organs of digestive system are not working properly, then what happens? You are not getting digested your food. Even you take vitamins, tablets, or any medicine, also will not going in your system. If our system, digestive system, not working. So this is a very important pranayama for to increase our digestion power. Agni, what you call. That should be lit when you eat meat. And how we can do it? First, Kapalbhati pranayama. Exhale. While you are exhaling, your stomach should go in. Very simple and easy. You have to little practice first, and then you can start. 5 to 10 minutes every day. So we are going to do this pranayama for at least more than 5 minutes, because you will start seeing the system. 1 in 1 second, 60 in a minute. Like. When you pause, you're breathing in automatic. You don't have to work for breathing in, because it's natural. We are breathing in and out unknowingly, right? It's happened automatically. So forcefully exhale, and then your stomach should go in, and then breathe in, automatically stomach go out. Regular speed is 40 to 60. Then you can go to 60 to 70, the medium speed, and 70 to 80 to 100 or 40. Depending on your strength. But today we are going to do medium speed, 40 to 70, whichever you are comfortable. And we want to concentrate our mind. This is the active meditation also. We are getting benefits of meditation also. Either you close your eyes, or I am going to put one chakras, 8 chakras in our body. You can concentrate on whichever problem you have, because this is the digestive system, is Manipur and Swadhisthana. All the problem of our bottom part of the body is Muladhara chakra. Heart problem is a heart Anahat chakra. Visuddhi chakra, Agya chakra, all the mental problem, and Sahasrara for more spiritual. So depending on your need, you can concentrate one of the chakras. And I'm going to put one bhajan also with it if it works, and concentrate on that. So we are going to do active meditation with double bell. 1 in 1 second, 60 in a minute. And you can see all 8 chakras and 8 pranayama, what it giving, which system it will affect. You can see on PowerPoint presentation.
हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है, सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है, सारे जहां के मालिक हम क्या कुछ तुझे खबर है, हर हाल में हमारी तेरी तरफ नजर है। हम क्या बताए तुझको, सब कुछ तुझे खबर है, हर हाल में हमारी तेरी तरफ नजर है। किस्मत है वो हमारी जो तेरा फैसला है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक सजदे में तेरे आकर सिर को झुकाए कैसे। हाथों को हम दुआ की खातिर में लाए कैसे, सजदे में तेरे आकर सिर को झुकाए कैसे। मजबूरियां हमारी सब तू ही जानता है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक रोकर कटे या हंस कर कटती है जिंदगानी, गम दे या खुशी दे सब तेरी मेहरबानी। रोकर कटे या हंस कर कटती है जिंदगानी, तू गम दे या खुशी दे सब तेरी मेहरबानी। तेरी खुशी समझ कर, तेरी खुशी समझ कर सब गम भुला दिया है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक दुनिया बना
Now, extend your both legs. So we are about 10 minutes we are sitting. So we want to improve the circulation. You can make round clockwise and then anti-clockwise. 2 to 3 times. Expand your legs in and out. And just improve the circulation. And we are going to get the next pranayama. It's called Bahya Pranayama. Now again, sit down comfortably with your comfortable asana you are selecting. I am selecting Siddhasana this time. First figure and thumb together. This pranayama is very important for all 8 systems in our body. Muladhara to Sahasrara. So what you do is forcefully exhale, hold the air out, and then pull from bottom upward. Muladhara chakra, you are going to close it. Manipur chakra also touching with your back. And Jalandhara is your chin is going to touch with your chest after you exhaling and then pull it down. There are 3 parts that happen at the same time. So we are going to do 3 times. Start with 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. For 1 minute you can hold. 2 more times. Forcefully exhale and then pull up all 3 ones. As soon as you are comfortable, just breathe in. 1 more time. Now relax. The next pranayama is called Agni Sarkriya. This is very, very important for all the digestive organ. Again, Kapalbhati, Bahya Pranayam, and Agni Sar, all 3 targeting our very important system in our body. So forcefully exhale, hold air out, then relax your stomach and take stomach in and out. 3 times we are going to do this also. You don't have to make a bandha on this. Five, 10, 15, 30, 50 times. Pranayama. Next. This is just a bucket. 1 more time. As 3 to 5 times you can do it. If you have digestive problem, then do more. Acidity, all kind of fun. Now the next pranayama we are going to do is called Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This is also upper part of the body now. Respiratory, circulatory system, endocrine system, nerve system. So take your right hand, close your right nostril, breathe from the left. With 2 middle finger, close your left, breathe out of the right. Then breathe from the right. Breathe out from the left. And then continue doing alternate nostril breathing for 5 minutes. I'm going to put one bhajan if you have to practice this pranayama. Alternate nostril breath. High blood pressure, low blood pressure. All the mental problem, migraine, depression.
मुझे प्यारे हैं, दुख भी मुझे प्यारे हैं, भगवन दोनों ही तुम्हारे हैं। छोड़ूं मैं किसे भगवन दोनों ही तुम्हारे हैं। सुख भी मुझे प्यारे हैं, दुख भी मुझे प्यारे हैं। छोड़ूं मैं किसे भगवन दोनों ही तुम्हारे हैं। छोड़ूं मैं किसे भगवन दोनों ही तुम्हारे हैं। सुख दुख इस जीवन की गाड़ी को चलाते हैं। सुख दुख इस जीवन की गाड़ी को चलाते हैं। सुख दुख ही हम सबको इंसान बनाते हैं। इंसान बनाते हैं। संसार की नदियाँ
Minimum 5 minutes you have to continue. Because of the less time, we are going to stop it. Now the next pranayam is called Ujjayi pranayam. This is very, very important for thyroid, sleep apnea, all the related cough disease, and snoring. So while you are doing the pranayam, you are contracting your throat muscle and make breathing and make a sound like this.
Hemant, 2 more minutes.
While you are breathing in, contract your throat muscle, and then after taking all the breath in, make a chaladana and hold the air inside. And after you are comfortable, close your right nostril, breathe out from the left. We are going to do this pranayam. Now start 3 pranayams. Inhale. And lock it. When you are uncomfortable, take the lock out, close your right nostril, breathe out from the left. Again, breathe in. One more. Then next pranayam is called Brahmari pranayam. This is very, very important for high blood pressure, all kinds of the mental problem, anxiety, migraine, depression, memory loss. So with your thumb, close your earlobes. So you won't hear anything from the outside. First finger on your forehead, other finger near nose. Close your eyes Take deep breath in and make sound of Om while you are exhaling from your nose. We are going to do 3 times. There's Brahmari Pranayam. Then the last one is called Udgit Pranayam. This is a meditative pranayam. So after my session, there will be a meditation we are going to do anyway. So 3 times. Sit comfortably, your chest in line, first finger and thumb together is called Dhyan Mudra. Put it on your knee. Take deep breath in and pronounce Om 3 times. Take your both hands together, rub them. Put your warm palm on your face and slowly open your eyes. Before I put my pranayam finish, one more request that I have sent out email to everybody that Swami Ramdev will be today on Facebook. You have the link. 11 to 1 o'clock, you can join for International Yoga Day. So if you have time, please join and you will enjoy some of the pranayam and all the benefits of the asana and pranayam in this environment. Thank you very much. And Sampaji, now you can start another program.